So it all began with this post I made on X where I stated that I have a YouTube channel, but I've not really posted in a while because of the many things I had to take care of. And I said, oh, I want to do a 30 days challenge. And that post really gained a lot of traction. You can see the current likes, the current comments. This was at the time of me taking a screenshot, and I'm certain the comments and the impressions have increased. So what I'm trying to say in essence is you are lucky to be here because I really don't do this, but I'm going to be hosting or starting this 30 days challenge that would take you through a series of content you can create with AI. So it all began with this post. So you should thank my instincts for telling me to make this particular post on that day. So many of you want to earn from AI video creation, but you need to learn first. That is why you saw me put the learning before the earning. When you remove the L in learn, then you can actually earn, right? And we're going to be doing this 30 days challenge of AI content. Now, note, I didn't say AI videos because AI is quite broad. AI content creation is broad. So it's going to encompass video creation, image creation. It's going to encompass written content. And hey, this is beginner friendly. I didn't come for the established AI content creators or video creators out there. I came for those that have no knowledge on AI content creation. And you can go ask about me. You can go check out my socials. I am somebody that teaches with so much concern for my students. I take my time to guide you through everything because I want you to understand. And I'll be doing that in these 30 days. So if you've got a question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Send your questions there, and by God's grace, I'm going to go through them and reply to your questions. So additionally, it's going to be from 1st of April to 30th of April 2026. That's about 30 days of different AI content. And I'm going to teach you about the industries that need them. We will be focusing on, because there are different industries that need these ideas that you are going to be learning and implementing. Real estate, food industry, cosmetic, furniture, and all of that. I'm going to be exploring that with you. You're going to see it practically. And I'm also going to be sharing the prompts that would give you results. You're going to see the prompts, and I'm going to share where you can access them. And additionally, there's a part you all want, right? The money. I'm going to teach you how to monetize the skills, how you can earn from it. So by the end of this 30 days challenge, you understand the concepts of AI video creation, AI content creation, AI image creation, and you should earn from it. There are different ways. Okay, so this is just a brief introduction about what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be introducing you to a site that we are going to use here. Okay, so now I need you to understand something. There are different video creation tools out there. There's Kling AI. This is Kling. This one with first one here, that's Kling AI. Additionally, there's Higgsfield. Higgsfield has a combo. Higgsfield, from Higgsfield you can create images. It has Kling inside. Higgsfield is really good. There is also Grok by Elon Musk. That's Grok Imagine. There's Grok Imagine where you can create images and you can also create videos. Grok is good. Additionally, okay, so there's also OpenArt. And with OpenArt, you can generate images. You can create videos here too. The truth is, most of these AI tools like Higgsfield, it's a combo. When you go through Higgsfield, you see Creator Studio, you'd see motion control and the rest of that. So there's also Meta by Mark. And with Meta, you can create videos. Yes, you can also create videos and images with Meta here. and it goes on and on. The sedans. Sedans is good. Sedans is really good. The sedans, and you can create cinematic videos. Sedans is good. And for the one we're going to be using in this tutorial, you see me use it often, is Flow by Google. Now, when you go through my generations, because if you go through my X, most especially, you see a lot of videos I post there on X. Those videos were created with Flow. I want you to also understand something, that while the tool you are working with has a huge role to play in your outputs, the beginning of every perfect and mesmerizing AI creation is your imagination. There was a post I made one time. I can't fish that out. A post on X where I said, was it on X or Facebook? And I said, yeah, I've always been a badass creative, and AI is amplifying that. So once I need you to be so creative. There are a lot of things I've done with AI that just stemmed out of my imagination. So I need you to be so creative because I'm guiding you through this, but I'm not in control of your imaginations. I'm not in control of what you're going to be doing. And I'm going to be guiding you through this flow interface. But it's going to be in our next class. So I'm going to show you how the flow interface works, how you can generate images, how you can generate videos, and the rest of that. But if this is your first time on my channel, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get all geared up for this 30 days challenge. And by God's grace, I intend to post more. Oh God, please help me. So let's get all geared up, and my classes are not boring. My classes are not boring. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Don't be stingy. Like the video. I'm giving you value. The least you can do is like and subscribe. Thank you. So additionally, before I just thought about something, let me introduce you to some of the tools you're going to be using here. I already introduced you to the AI videos you're going to be using. Like I said, we are going to be using Flow. And in another video tutorial, I'm going to show you how Flow would work. We're going to be using this particular site to generate our audio, because sometimes we're going to be using voiceovers. And if you go through my work, all those voiceovers you see me use, if you go through my videos, the voiceovers you see me use in my videos were generated here from Google AI Studio. So with Google AI Studio, you would be able to generate realistic voices that sounds Nigerian, that sounds, for any nationality you want, for any accent you want, can be generated with Google AI Studio. There's also 11 labs. 11 labs. And the reason why I might be talking about this more is because I know most of you are beginners, and I know how it is in this part of the world. So most times you want the FREE tools. So 11 labs, to explore the perfection from 11 labs, you actually need to pay. But this is free for now. So you should be able to explore this. And for image generation, you're going to see me use Nano Banana a lot. Nano Banana on Gemini. Now, note this is a pro account, but even with your free account, you would see this create image feature, create music, but you would not see this create a video. You would see write anything. You should see boost my day and help me learn, but you won't see this. Now, the reason you're seeing this, like I said, is because this is a pro account. And when you have a pro account for this sites, that's for Flow, you have the ability to create 3 videos daily from here. So I can create 3 videos from here daily. And there's another one most of you might not know about. It's called Vids. And it hurts me when I talk to people about this and you say, I don't know about Vids. So Vids is also accessible when you have a pro account. You see this VO 3.1. With this VO 3.1, you can create 8 seconds video in 10 places every day. So every day you have access to 10 generations. And no, it does not touch your flow credits. It does not touch, this is separate. Even the pre you are generating daily, it does not touch your flow credits. Your flow credits would still be intact. From here, you can select an avatar. For those of you that are on the free plan, you'd see all these features, but you wouldn't see VO3 would not be clickable for you because it's not a pro account. Additionally, you can create an avatar. You can do a voiceover from here. Voiceover is you recording and having that as a background audio for a video, an image, or something. You have B-rolls playing. You can create music. You should check one of my posts. Yeah, Google my the recent post I made before this video. Google brought out RIRAH 3. And as at the time of Google bringing out RIRAH 3, we were only able to generate 30 seconds. So yesterday I was having a class with my students. That was 25th of March. And we wanted to create a jingle for the video we were working on. Okay, so I was already having it in my head. RIRAH 3 generates just 30 seconds of 30 seconds of video. Sorry, 30 seconds of songs, which you can download as a video or download as an audio. Go and check my previous video rather. So the song we're generating, I was surprised when it came out with as 2 minutes, I think 13 seconds. I was shocked. So you can generate longer songs now. Oh, that's good. And okay, maybe it's not here yet. Let's see. Okay, 30 seconds clip and full song. So full song should be like a longer version. And I don't know about the monetization ability of this yet. Because just like Suno, for Suno AI, you cannot monetize songs on the free plan. You have to be on the paid plan to monetize your songs. Meaning that if you create a song on the free plan, Suno still has commercial rights to that. And you can end up having copyright issues when you try to monetize that particular song. So I still need to make my research on these too, but I feel it's the same thing with Google here. When you're on the pro plan, you should be able to monetize the songs you get from the pro version. Then this is image, Nano Banana, how you can generate images from here. Oh my God, generating images, you're going to explore that. And then you can also record you can record directly from here. Let's say you want to take a tutorial. I think at the time of recording this video, I don't know if they've increased the duration. I was only able to do 10 minutes. So you can record your camera and screen if you're having a tutorial or you're having a meeting or something that wouldn't exceed 10 minutes. You can try this out and you can check out, you can upload, and the names are just explaining everything. Then you also have access to stock footage, stock images, and the web. That's how this interface works. So like I said, the main thing I use this for is for Google VO3. And I had to introduce you to it because I know many of you do not know about this. I made a video about this when I started this channel, but many of you do not know about this. So yes, that is it. This might seem long, but it's a proper guide. Check out my next video where I'll teach you about Flow's interface and what they all stand for. Hope you subscribed right. See you on the next one.